Hey guys, so this module is about negative and zero exponents. So notice in these two examples, we're raising something to the zero power. Anything raised to the zero power is equal to 1. We also have negative exponents. Let me switch the screen just a bit so you guys can see better. So how are we going to deal with negative exponents? We are going to change where they lie. So for example, this one is 2 to the negative 1. I'm going to write this as a fraction. I'm going to change it by putting the 2 to the negative 1 in the denominator. And then I make the exponent positive. Same idea here. X to the negative 2. I'm going to put it in the denominator. And now the exponent is positive. Put it in the denominator in this case, make it positive. Same thing here, put it in the denominator, make it positive. In this example, it's in the denominator, so we're going to now move it up to the numerator to make it positive. So we have 2 times 3x raised to the third power. Let's do some more intricate examples. So you already see here we have an exponent of 3, which means I want to expand this 3 times. We know that anything to the 0 power is 1. So all of these, we don't even need to worry about them, because anything times 1 is the same thing. We also want to take care of these negative exponents. So I'm going to move all of these up to the numerator since they're in my denominator. I'll use the green to show you. So my new expressions are 3s to the second over 5 times 3s to the second over 5 times 3s to the second over 5. If I expand everything, I have 3 times s times s times 3 times s times s times 3 times s times s over 5 times 5 times 5. Three times 3 times 3 is 27. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 s's being multiplied. That's s to the 6. And the denominator, I have 5 times 5 times 5. That's 125. There is my final answer. This one, let's take care of this expression right away. T to the negative 4, I can rewrite that as 1 over t to the 4th. This one, that's t to the second to the second, so I'm going to expand it twice. So t to the second times t to the second. And just so we keep it as a fraction, I'll put it over 1. If I expand everything, I have t times t times t times t. And the numerator I have t times, the denominator I have t times t times t times t. If I divide everything out, since I divided everything, my final answer is 1. Right? Everything's divided, only 1 is left. Let's look at this one. I have a negative exponent. I'm going to put this whole thing in the denominator. I'm going to expand it 3 times. These, since they're negative, have to go up. So I have I to the second, I to the second, I to the second, for 3 times 3 times 3 times j times j times j. If I expand everything, Let's put it all together. I times I times I times I times I times I, that's I to the 6. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. J times j is j to the 3rd. And there's my final answer. And that's it.